Today's topic is functions. Question number 1. If f is mapping R to R is defined as f of x is equal to 2x plus mod x, then f of 3x minus f of minus x minus 4x is equals to 1. Answer is given f of x is equal to 2x plus modulus of x. Here f of 3x minus f of minus x minus 4x, that is when x is equal to 3x, substituting here 2 into 3x plus 3 into mod x minus when x is equal to minus x, 2 into minus x plus modulus of minus x minus 4x. Now this is 6x plus 3 into mod x plus 2x minus mod x minus 4x. Now this is 4x plus 2 mod x. Taking 2 is common, that is 2x plus mod x. This is f of x. Given f of x is this one. So that is 2 into f of x. So f of 3x minus f of minus x minus f 4x is 2 into f of x. That is the answer. Question number 2. F of 1 is equal to 1 and n is greater than or equals to 1. That implies f of n plus 1 is equal to 2 into f of n plus 1. Then f of n is equal to. That means given f of n plus 1 is equal to 2 into f of n plus 1. Then what is the value of f of n? That is, here f of 1 is equal to 1. Let n is equal to 1. That implies f of 1 plus 1 is 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 into f of 1 plus 1. That is equal to f of 1 is 1. So that is 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. And when n is equal to 2, that implies f of 2 plus 1 is 3. That's equal to 2 into f of 2 plus 1. That is equal to 2 into f of 2 means 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. From these two, we write f of n is, we get f of 2 is equal to 3 and f of 3 is equal to 7. So therefore f of n is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1. When n is equal to 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. When n is equal to 3, 2 cube 8 means minus 1, 7. So this is the value of f of n. This is the value of f of n. Question number 3. If f of x is equal to 7 to the power of 1 plus log x by x to the power log 7, then f of 2020 is equal to. We know that from definition of logarithm, we know that from definition of logarithm, 7 power log x is equal to x to the power of log 7. Both are equal. So that's why f of x is equal to 7 into 7 to the power of log x by x power log 7. Both are cancelled. That implies f of x is equal to 7. Now f of 2020 is also 7. Since f of x is a constant function, constant value, that is 7. So when for any value of x, it is 7 only. Fourth question. Now the fourth question is domain of f of x is equal to 1 by square root of modulus of x minus x. If not, x is 1 by root of modulus of x minus x is. Now this is of the form 1 by root of x. 1 by root of x means f of x must be greater than 0. That means modulus of x minus x is greater than 0. That implies mod x is greater than x. for all x belongs to minus infinity to 0, mod x is greater than x. So therefore domain of the function is x belongs to minus infinity to 0, which is the domain of the given function. Question number 5. The function f is mapping R to R, g is mapping R to R are defined as f of x is equal to 0 when x is rational, and f of x is equal to 1 when x is irrational. G of x is equal to minus 1 when x is rational. G of x is equal to 0 when x is irrational. Then what is the value of f circle g of phi plus g circle f of e is equal to? So the answer is f circle g of phi plus g circle f of g can be written as f of g of phi plus g of f of e. F of g of phi. Phi means, what is pi? Pi means irrational number. G is an irrational. G of pi is 0. Since it is g of pi is an irrational. When g of pi is irrational, so that's why it is 0. Plus g of f of e. F of e is also an irrational, so it is 1. Now f of 0 means a real, and that means rational. F of 0 is a rational means 0 plus g of 1. It is also a rational. Its value is minus 1. So it is minus 1. Question number 6. If f of x is equal to a minus x power n whole power 1 by n, then f circle f of x is, its answer is f circle f of x, that can be written as f of x. Here f of x is a minus x power n whole power 1 by n. This is f of x. Now that can be written as a minus x power n whole power 1 by n whole to the power n. X means f of x a minus x power n whole power 1 by n whole power n. That is minus n cancel, minus a, minus into minus plus x power n whole to the power of 1 by n, plus a minus a is cancelled, both n cancel, x. So therefore f circle f of x is equal to x. That is a required solution. 10th question. Set of x belongs to R such that step of x minus, not a step, it is a bracket, x minus mod x is equal to 5. That implies sun. But here x minus mod x is not equals to 5. X minus mod x not equals to 5 for all x belongs to R. Hence answer is 5.